We'll read chapter 11 of EVS. What are things made up of? Now student, we can see so many things around us. But have you ever thought, are they made up of same material or are they made from different material? Now student, things are made from different material. Mostly things are made from the metals, plastic, glass, cloth or fabric, clay, wood, rubber and paper. So students, out of these, some are natural material, some are man-made material. What's your natural material? The material which we get from the nature. Which material we get from the nature? Metal, wood, rubber, paper, clay are natural material. So metal, paper, rubber, wood, clay and cotton and wool are natural material, while plastic and glass are man-made material. We use some chemicals to make plastic and glass. So plastic and glass are man-made material. Now student, different material have different properties. Some material are hard while some are soft. Hard means we cannot mold or compress them easily. And some are soft, we can mold or compress them easily. For example, cloth we can compress, while wood we cannot compress easily. So wood is hard and clothes or fabric is soft. In the same way, some are transparent. Glass is transparent, we can see through it, but we cannot see through the wood. So wood is opaque. Now student, some material is stretchable. For example, rubber. We can stretch rubber band, but we cannot stretch the wood. So different material have different properties. Some are very strong. For example, metal. Metal is very strong. We cannot break it easily, but we can break the glass easily. So different material have different properties, and different material are used to make different things. Now if we see metal is shiny, strong and hard, and we use metal to make utensils. We can see spoon, pans and other utensils made from metal. We also make jewelry from the metal, and we make tools from the metal. So metal is hard, strong and shiny. And from where do you get metal? From the rocks. So metal are natural material. Next we see wood. Wood is hard and strong, and from wood we can make furniture. But we can cut wood with the metal material. So wood is hard and it is strong. Third material is paper. Paper is also made from wood, but it is not hard. It is soft and it is thin. We can compress it easily. And we make books and notebooks from paper. Next material is rubber. From where do we get rubber? We get rubber from the trees. And some rubber can be soft, some can be hard. When we make tire is hard, while rubber band is soft. Balloon is also soft, and rubber band is stretchable. And balloon can also be stretched, but we cannot stretch tire. So rubber is stretchable and we get rubber from the plant and trees. So metal, wood, paper and rubber are natural material. Now we see plastic. Now student, plastic is not natural material. Plastic is man-made. We make plastic by adding chemical to some natural material. Plastic is light and it is of many colors. We make bottles, toys and many other items from the plastic. Now next material is cotton and wool. So cotton and wool are natural material. We get cotton from the plants and we spun the cotton into thread. So हम इसको thread बनाते हैं and from thread we make clothes. And wool we get from the animals. We get wool from the sheep. So we cut the hair of the sheep to get wool. So we use cotton and wool to make clothes. So cotton and wool are natural material. Now we'll see glass. Glass is not a natural material, it is man-made material. We add chemical to the sand and we heat the sand to high temperature. हम रेत को बहुत heat करते हैं. Then the sand start melting and we add chemical to it to get glass. And we make glassware, glasses, windows, television, mobile and jars and bottle from the glass. Glass is weak. It is not strong, it is weak. It is hard but it is weak. We can break it easily. Now next material is clay. From where do we get clay? From the soil. So it is a type of soil and it is very soft, but when we mold it or when we heat it, it becomes very hard. But it is weak. We can break it easily. And we use clay to make vessels, pots, piggy banks, etc. So some of the material are natural material like metal, wood, paper, rubber, cotton and wool are natural material. While plastic and glass are man-made material and we use different materials to make different things. And different material have different properties. So student, you read the chapter and you see the items, what are they made of and what properties do they have.